Are you wondering when you may receive the monthly Social Security Disability Insurance or SSDI benefit? My name is Caitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. Today, we're going to discuss when SSDI or Social Security Disability Insurance benefits are paid. The Social Security Administration has a payment schedule that is based on the recipient's birth date for SSDI benefits. SSDI beneficiaries are typically assigned to one of the following payment days: the second Wednesday of the month, the third Wednesday of the month, or the fourth Wednesday of the month. The Social Security Administration strongly encourages SSDI recipients to sign up for direct deposit to have their monthly benefit deposited directly into your bank account on the scheduled payment day. SSDI benefits are paid monthly, typically in arrears. This means that the payment received in a particular month covers the prior month's benefits. Like Social Security retirement benefits, SSDI benefits are subject to annual cost of living adjustments based on changes to the Consumer Price Index. Cost of living adjustments, when applied, typically take effect on January 1st of each year. In some cases, if the regular payment date falls on a holiday or a weekend, the Social Security Administration may adjust the payment date to the nearest business day to ensure timely delivery of benefits. SSDI recipients can create an online account with the Social Security Administration to access information about their benefit payment schedule, payment history, and other important details. It's important for SSDI recipients to keep their contact information up to date with the Social Security Administration to ensure that not only benefit payments are received promptly, but also so they receive any important notifications regarding benefits. The specific payment date may vary from one individual to another based on their assigned day and month in question. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.